Today we're breaking down exactly how to launch a faceless YouTube channel from scratch, even if you've never edited a video, recorded your voice, or appeared on camera. I'll show you 5 practical steps to script, narrate, design, and publish your first video, all powered by free AI tools. Let's get into the build. So first, let's talk about the foundation of your channel, your niche. This is the type of content your channel will focus on, and it matters more than most people realize, because not all niches are equally profitable. Open up ChatGPT and type this in. List 10 faceless YouTube channel ideas that could make $3,000 a month using AI tools. It'll give you great ideas like AI tools reviews, lo-fi music streams, true crime storytelling, motivational speeches, educational explainers. Now to make this more practical, follow up with, which of these niches has high CPM and good affiliate potential? That will help you filter for content that not only grows your audience, but actually makes money. Got your niche? Great. Let's move to step 2. Now that you've got your niche locked in, it's time to script your first video. And trust me, this part is easier than you think. Open ChatGPT again and say something like, write a 5-minute YouTube script titled 5 AI Tools to launch a faceless YouTube channel in 2025. Include an intro, 5 structured points, and a call to action. It'll give you a full script within seconds. You can also ask for specific tones, like more casual, more technical, or story-driven. Want to go further? Ask, based on this script, suggest 1 visual prompt per section for B-roll. That'll make next step even easier. With your script ready, let's bring it to life, without recording a single word yourself. Head over to ElevenLabs. It's one of the most realistic AI voice generators available. First, paste your full script into the text box. Then comes the fun part, choosing your voice. You'll find a wide selection of default voices. Some are calm and professional, great for tutorials or explainers. Others are more upbeat or conversational, perfect for storytelling or motivational content. You can preview a few before deciding. And if you're on a paid plan, you can even train it on your own voice later. But for now, just pick one that matches your tone. Once you've picked a voice, use the sliders to adjust the delivery. And speed controls how fast or slow it reads. Stability keeps the tone consistent. Clarity makes the voice sharper or softer. Style lets you dial up emotion or make it more neutral. Take a moment to fine-tune until it sounds natural, like a real person reading your script with the right emotion. When you're happy with it, hit generate, and in just a few seconds, you've got a fully produced voiceover.
Want to start a YouTube channel in 2025 without showing your face, voice, or even touching a camera?
You're not alone. With AI, you can launch a fully automated, faceless YouTube channel from scratch.
And today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that can help you do exactly that.
Sounds good, right? Now let's turn that audio into something visual. Here comes the creative part, designing what your audience will see while the voiceover plays. If you're creating a tutorial, review, or list-style video, then Canva is hands down your best option for visuals. It's quick, visual, and beginner-friendly. Start by opening Canva and choosing a widescreen layout, 16:9 format. This is the perfect size for YouTube videos. You can start from scratch or use one of Canva's pre-built YouTube video templates if you want a bit of a design head start. Now think about your script. Break it into sections, just like chapters. Each major point in your script will get its own slide. For example, if your video is titled 5 AI Tools to Launch a Faceless YouTube Channel in 2025, then each slide should highlight one tool with a clear headline. Keep the layout bold and simple. Use large, easy-to-read text for each headline, something like, Tool Umber 1, ChatGPT, your script assistant. And underneath that, you can add a short benefit or supporting line in smaller text. To make your visuals more engaging, drag in a few icons or mockups from Canva's built-in library. Search terms like AI, robot, interface, or laptop, and you'll find clean vector icons and illustrations you can use for free. These little visuals help keep the screen active and prevent the design from feeling static. Stick to 2 main brand colors and 1 clean font across all slides. This makes your video feel cohesive and professional. You can also add light animations between slides or animate the text and icons, just subtle movements to hold attention, not too flashy. When you're done, you've got 2 export options. If you want built-in motion, export your slides as a video file. Or if you'd prefer to animate inside your video editor, export each slide as a still image. With just a handful of slides, you now have a full visual layer for your voiceover, completely faceless, fully under your control, and perfect for building scalable automation content. If your video is story-driven, cinematic, or visual-heavy, this is where Leonardo AI shines. You don't need to film anything or use stock footage. You just describe what you want, and Leonardo will generate custom images that look like they came from a movie studio. If you're not sure what visuals would fit, you can actually go back to ChatGPT and prompt, "Based on this script, suggest one visual image prompt for each main section of the video." You'll get back a list of image ideas ready to copy into Leonardo. Then open Leonardo AI, pick a model like Leonardo Diffusion XL or Dream Shaper, and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 so your images fit YouTube format perfectly, and paste in a prompt, something like, "A dark, futuristic workspace with glowing monitors and floating AI icons, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed, 16:9 ratio." You can refine the prompt with more details. The more specific you are with lighting, mood, or camera angle, the better the result. If the first image isn't quite right, adjust the wording and rerun it. Even small changes, like swapping blue lighting for neon red, can completely shift the mood. Now, if you want to take your visuals one step further and add a virtual presenter without showing your face, then HeyGen is the tool to use. It lets you generate a lifelike avatar that speaks directly to your audience using just your script or voiceover. Head over to HeyGen and start a new video. You'll see a lineup of avatars to choose from: male or female, casual or formal, different ethnicities and presentation styles. Pick one that matches your content's tone. Then paste in your script, the exact one you used for your ElevenLabs voiceover. If you don't want to use the default HeyGen voice, no problem. Just upload the ElevenLabs audio file, and the avatar will lip sync to your custom voice. From there, you can tweak the layout, change the background, upload your logo, or add visual elements to the scene. Once you're happy with the setup, just click Generate, and HeyGen will create a complete presenter-led video with professional delivery. This is perfect if you're building a review channel, explainer series, or tutorial brand. It adds a polished human layer to your video while keeping the entire production fully automated and faceless. Once you've got your visuals, download them in high resolution and get ready to bring everything together in CapCut. Here's the final step. CapCut is free, simple to use, and works great for faceless creators. Start by importing your assets, your voiceover file, the visuals you created in Canva, Leonardo AI, or HeyGen. Line everything up on the timeline. Drop in your visuals in the correct order, then sync them with your voiceover so that each slide or image matches what's being said. Next, let's make the video feel more polished with movement. Use CapCut's slow zooms or pan effects on your images to keep the screen active. They're simple, but make a big difference. Then use the auto caption tool to instantly generate subtitles based on your voiceover. This is super helpful for mobile viewers or anyone watching without sound. Make the captions bold, easy to read, and positioned so they don't block key visuals. Want to give your video more vibe? Drop in a light background track to add energy without overpowering your narration. CapCut has a solid library of free stock music and sound effects you can use right inside the editor. Once everything's in place, export your video in 1080p resolution. That's the standard for YouTube. Now head to YouTube Studio, upload your video, and fill in the details. Use a clear, search-friendly title that combines value and curiosity. For example, 5 AI tools to launch a faceless YouTube channel in 2025. In your description, list all the tools you used, and don't forget to include affiliate links if they're available. Tools like Canva, CapCut, and ElevenLabs have affiliate programs, which means you can start earning even before your channel hits monetization thresholds. Lastly, create a clean thumbnail in Canva using bold text and strong contrast. This is what gets people to click, so keep it simple but sharp. Boom, your first video is done, and your faceless YouTube journey just kicked off. And just like that, you've created your first AI-powered YouTube video, start to finish, with no gear and no guesswork. Everything you need, from the tools we use to the affiliate links, is listed in the description below. Most are free to use, and some even let you earn affiliate income on day one. If you got value from this walkthrough, hit like and subscribe for more faceless channel builds, automation guides, and step-by-step AI workflows. This is the AI Hustle. Let's build smarter.